In the modern industrial world, car crushers are not just tools, but wizards that transform old heaps of scrap metal into valuable resources. Join us as we explore the magical journey of a car from the moment it leaves the showroom to becoming an integral part of the recycling process. This is the story of forgotten cars, the marvels of car crushers, and how it all ends with a smile from Mother Nature. Abandoned cars, once they can no longer operate and are left forgotten in junkyards, actually hold much more value than one might think. Although they may appear as mere heaps of scrap metal with no worth, each of these cars contains a treasure trove of valuable metals and recyclable materials. Each car, when it first rolls off the production line, is a product of advanced manufacturing technology, with numerous parts made from metals like steel, aluminum, and copper, along with other materials such as plastics, rubber, and glass. When a car can no longer move, it becomes a treasure trove of valuable materials waiting to be recycled. Therefore, abandoned cars are not just waste, they are a valuable resource waiting to be harvested. The car crushing process begins when the abandoned vehicle is brought to the processing facility. First, the car is inspected to remove hazardous fluids and dangerous components such as the fuel tank and battery. After being cleaned and prepared, the car is placed in the compaction area. Here, the car is fed into a compactor where it is tightly compressed into a cube-shaped block, much like stuffing clothes into a suitcase for a long trip. This cube is then transferred to the crusher, a massive and powerful machine designed to break down steel into smaller fragments. The car crusher operates like a gigantic weaving machine, but instead of weaving fabric, it crushes steel using powerful impact forces and sharp cutting blades. During the crushing process, the car is broken down into millions of smaller fragments. These fragments are then passed through a sorting system where they are separated into different types of materials. Valuable metal parts, such as steel, aluminum, and copper, are separated from non-metal materials like plastics, rubber, and glass. After being crushed, the fragments of the car are passed through a series of sophisticated sorting systems. Large magnets attract and separate the iron and steel pieces from other materials. Plastics and rubber are directed to smaller crushers for processing and recycling into new products, while glass from car windows is recovered and recycled into new glass products. This process is like a sports competition for materials, where each type of material competes to secure a spot on the list of valuable resources. Modern sorting systems can use artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance sorting and processing capabilities, ensuring that valuable materials are not wasted and are recovered as effectively as possible. Modern car crushers are not just powerful machines, but also marvels of engineering. With the capability to process hundreds of cars per hour, they operate tirelessly like machines that never get fatigued. The performance of car crushers can be extremely impressive, efficiently and rapidly crushing and separating car parts. An important aspect of maintaining the performance of car crushers is regular maintenance and care of the equipment. Automotive recycling companies often conduct routine maintenance, inspecting various parts of the crusher to ensure optimal operation. Don't be surprised if you see maintenance engineers tweaking, adjusting, and even chatting with the crusher like an old friend. This is how they keep their friend in top condition. With the continuous advancement of technology, car crushers are undergoing an exciting revolution. Researchers and engineers are constantly seeking new solutions to enhance performance and minimize environmental impact. One of the prominent trends today is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into the recycling process. Artificial intelligence is making car crushers smarter, enhancing their ability to accurately classify and process different materials. AI can identify various materials and adjust the crushing process to ensure that valuable car components are recovered as effectively as possible. Imagine the crusher learning and becoming an expert in material sorting, much like a diligent student in a technology classroom. Additionally, the use of renewable energy in the recycling process is becoming an important trend. Research is underway to develop car crushers that use energy from renewable sources such as solar or wind power. This approach not only helps reduce carbon emissions, but also lowers energy costs, providing dual benefits for both the environment and the economy. Car crushers play a crucial role in the car recycling process, not only by recovering valuable materials, but also by contributing to environmental protection. With their ability to crush and separate car parts, these machines transform scrap metal into high-value products, including metals, plastics, and glass. The car recycling process is not only a crucial step in conserving natural resources, but also an essential part of efforts to reduce pollution and protect public health. With ongoing technological advancements, car crushers will continue to play a vital role in creating a more sustainable world. From abandoned vehicles to new recycled products, the journey of car crushers is a remarkable story of transformation and renewal, offering hope for a greener and cleaner future. Imagine a world where abandoned cars are not just relics of the past, but silent blocks of metal waiting to become part of the future. The story of car crushers is a vivid testament to the wonders of technology and the relentless creativity in protecting our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep supporting recycling and environmental protection, and remember that every old car has a significant story to tell. Together, we can turn the impossible into possible and build a brighter future for the generations to come. Don't forget to hit the follow button so you won't miss other exciting and useful videos about the world around us. See you in the next adventures.